Can an engine flush product really help you stop burning oil, get rings unstuck on your motor? Well, today, my name's Eben. This is Synthetic Oil Protection. Today we're talking about AMSOIL Engine Flush. This right here goes inside the crankcase motor oil, thins out the oil, and starts to loosen sticky valves and rings. Also quiets down lifter noise, and it safely cleanses your seals and rubber gaskets. I've been asked frequently many times in the channel, does this cause leaking? Is it gonna make my car burn more oil? Is it gonna make it worse? I've never had that problem with thousands and thousands of customers all over US and Canada have used this product. I personally run it every single oil change on my personal cars. Every car I do it every time because it cleanses and gets it out. It's not a super hard detergent that's like doing anything corrosive. So it's very light, highly recommend it. Comes right out when you drain the oil out. So there's nothing you need to do special to get this to work for you. It's just simply that easy. You idle it for 15 minutes and voila. I want you to definitely like this video if you're enjoying the content. Definitely order the AMSOIL products by supporting the channel here at syntheticoilprotection.net, and I'll be your independent AMSOIL dealer. I can answer all your questions with all these high quality products. I want you to check out this video right here.